Good morning. Small balance commercial bridge loans, the go to strategy for value add CRE deals. In today's commercial real estate market, speed and structure matter more than ever. And for investors targeting value add opportunities, traditional financing often falls short with slow approvals, rigid underwriting, and limited flexibility. And that's where this commercial small balance bridge loan comes from and the need that it will serve. And in Medallion Funds, we help investors structure short term capital solutions designed specifically for renovation driven commercial real estate projects with leverage from 65 to 75% of the after repair value for select assets. And what is a small balance commercial bridge loan? Well, a small balance bridge loan is a short term interest only financing solution that's designed to help folks acquire underperforming commercial properties, but also fund renovation and repositioning strategies and then stabilize the assets before refinancing or selling them. So, a typical loan structure here would be, say, 65 to 75% of the ARV, depending on the asset type. And the terms are up to 24 months, your interest only payments, and you have an exit strategy with refinance into permanent debt or to sell. Now, this is not a long term financing, it's a strategic tool for execution. So, why investors would use bridge loans for renovation projects? Number one, speed wins deals. Bridge lenders move faster than traditional banks, which allows you to compete aggressively on value add acquisitions and act with certainty. Two, leverage based on future values, the ARV. And unlike conventional loans that rely on current income, bridge loans are underwritten based on the future stabilized value. So this is critical for vacant retail centers or underperforming multifamily or industrial repositioning plays. Three is flexible underwriting. So bridge lenders are really focused on your business plan, your sponsor's experience for the group you're buying with, and your exit strategy. And they're not worried about current NOI so much. The ideal use case is a value add commercial real estate deal. And this product is best suited for investors executing a clear value add strategy, such as renovating an outdated retail center, or re-tenanting an office or a mixed use property, or upgrading multifamily units to increase rents, and stabilizing assets with high vacancy. Now, the goal is simple: you buy, you improve it, and then you refinance or you sell it. So, here's an example deal structure, and let's break it down. Say you're buying a property for $1 million and it needs $300,000 in work, but after it's repaired, it could be worth 1.8. So loan projected at 70% would be 1.26. And this allows you to cover acquisition as well as fund a renovation and preserve your liquidity in doing so. And that's how experienced investors recycle capital and scale portfolios. So some risks to understand here is that bridge loans are powerful, but they do require discipline. And with short timelines, I think 12 to 24 months, execution must be tight and on point. And you're going to see higher rates than permanent financing is the other point, with an exit fee. And if exit risks and conditions shift, you could be stuck holding the bag. And that's why structure is better than rate. And if your exit isn't clear, your deal might not be ready. So why work with a mortgage broker? And at Medallion Funds, we don't just place loans, we structure deals. We help you in matching your deal with the right lender, but also stress testing your exit strategy to make sure it's profitable. We help you optimize your leverage and your risk. With over 600 plus lending relationships, we have options. And the difference isn't the loan, it's how the loan is put together and structured. So, final thought: small balance commercial bridge loans are one of the most effective tools for scaling commercial real estate portfolios, especially in a market where banks are tightening long term lending and being a little more cautious. And value add opportunities are increasing in the market of what's available. And most importantly, speed and certainty is needed to win the deal. And if you're serious about growing in commercial real estate, you need to think like a lender. So we'll structure the deal right and allow the capital to flow into your deal, and success will follow. And that, my friends, is a great product. Love to talk to you more about a situation that you may be facing that we could help you with there. Please visit my website, billraponline.com, to figure out how to get a hold of me, and we can have a conversation. Take care.